Okay, we're going to squeeze in a lesson 4-4, equations as relations. First of all, there is a typo in your packet down here. This 5 needs to be a 6. So if I didn't change it in your packet, please change the 5 to a 6. I will try to remember to do that. Okay, we're going to solve these. I will be giving you equations. What I would like you to do is find for me the solution set. The solution set needs to come from what is called the replacement set. Here are a set of ordered pairs. We're going to replace them into the equation to find the solution set, which ones work. One way to do this is to set up a little table. You will then take each ordered pair, put -2 in for x, put 3 in for y to see if it was true or false. -2 times -2 is 4, -1 is 3. That is true. So that was a really bad bracket. I have to erase that. The ordered pair -2, 3 works. Now I will try 0 for x, -1 for y. 0 minus 1 is -1. So the ordered pair 0, -1 works. So that is true. Next, I'll substitute -2 in for y, 1 in for x, -2 minus 1 is -3. That does not work. That ordered pair will not be part of the solution set. -6 minus 1 is not 1. That is also false. My solution set would just be those two ordered pairs. I can only make brackets in one direction, so I have to spin my paper. Okay, next, I gave you the equation 3x minus 2y with a replacement set of those 4 ordered pairs. I would like for you to find for me the solution set, a list of ordered pairs that prove to be true in that equation. I'm going to ask you to do this one by yourself. Please pause the video and we will compare answers. Thank you for pausing. So I filled in the table, I went to my workspace, I wrote the math down, and I could see that that did not equal 6, so that was false. I could see that did not equal 6, so that was also false. So my solution set would just be the ordered pairs 0, -3, and 2, 0. Now, sometimes I wouldn't always put this digit at the end. I would say to myself, oh, -6 minus 6 is -12. Oh, not 6, so that doesn't work. 0 minus 2 is -2, so that is not 6. That would not work. Again, because I can only make the bracket one direction, I have to spin my paper over. Okay. Now, a different type of math problem following the same sort of format is I am going to ask you to solve this equation if the domain are these numbers. Now, we have to think about it. We talked about the other day, what is domain? Domains are your x's. The y's are the ranges. So I am giving you all of the x's. I'm asking you to find the y's, the ranges. Wait a minute. This equation doesn't even have x or y's. Remember alphabetical order. A would be your x, B's would be your y, following alphabetical order. So this is my x, that's my y. I substitute first -2 in for a or x. So 2 times -2 is -4 minus 1. I would have -2, -5. 2 times -1, -2, minus 1 is -3. So I have the ordered pair -1, -3. Putting 0 in, I would get -1. Putting 2 in, 4 minus 1 is 3. Putting 4 in is 8 minus 1 is 7. These are my solution sets, so I can write them here really quick. And I wrote really big, so I have to write on a second row. Not a big deal. Spin my paper around so I can put the end bracket on. Okay, next they're going to ask us to graph our solution set. I don't care what ordered pairs you use. So I have the point -2, -5. I have -1, -3. 0, -1. Ooh, I'm noticing a pattern here, but I'll keep going. 2, 3. And this one will not fit. 6 is right here, so I'll just think 7 would be there. Do not draw a line. I notice a pattern. It looks linear, meaning a straight line. It only asked me to graph these 5 points, nothing in between. It did not ask for -2.5. It did not ask for what 1 was. I will only put the dots. Do not connect. It asked you to graph only the solution given that replacement in those domains. Again, what I would like you to do is pause the video, do everything we just did. I gave you the domains. I checked for typos, substitute those in for your X's, solve for your Y, list the solution set, and graph. Pause the video. All right, thank you for pausing the video. I gave you some pretty big numbers, but as I solved, these became my solution set. I put the brackets, put the ordered pairs in parentheses separated by commas. Here I showed my work a little. And then I had a guesstimate that 8 was there, 6 was there. The other ones fit on the graph. I did not connect the points because I only want to know the solutions where the domain is -1, 0, 2, and 4. Nothing in between.